Welcome everybody to day 71 on the path to $30,000 a month. If you don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. Right now I am trying to find some cold leads so I can put them into my campaign. As you can see, I'm going through all these tabs and it's scraping emails right now. There's no waves out here right now, so I'm not tempted to go surf with my bad knee, but taking a little break. All right, so I actually worked on that cold emailing for a good while, probably for like 2.5 hours. So finally I got to customer orders. So right now I am copying my designs and putting them into Cricut design space so I can create some stickers, because some eBay stickers I do not actually have printed out. And then I had some decals I had to get out, and these are the God's Country decals. I fixed my machine a little bit at least. I was having cutting issues, but this is like working way better now. I had to just grease up the inside of the cutter. So ever since I updated and optimized this listing 2 days ago, I've been making a lot more sales of these God's Country decals, so I'm pretty excited about that. And now we were just putting transfer tape all over these decals, and we are done with these. All right, so the last step is just boxing up all these decals, and I'm going to ship these out to the customers. I ran out of some pre-cut laminate, so I decided to cut more. So I just had a sticker to do, just a little lamination action there. It was just a sheet. And then here is the goat decal I have to get out as well. So I am de-weeding this. I actually really don't mind de-weeding these now after the cutter's just working really well. So after getting that all packaged up, I had to do some customer orders like I said. So here are some shipping labels I am printing out. So you can go ahead and enjoy me doing like 50 of these. Update on the Amazon account. I got in contact again today. I called up Amazon. I called one of the customer service agents, and it actually, I felt a little bit more hope than the last couple of days. So what happened was I told her my story. I've called 3 different times. I've emailed 3 different times as well. And I keep hearing the same story. They'll get back to me in 24 to 48 hours. Well, she contacted me and she said, hey, listen, what is your case ID? What is the latest case ID? And I sent her the case ID, which they have not asked for before. And she goes, okay, I'm going to escalate this case that you have. And I said, listen, I appreciate it, but I have gotten this, priority before, but they never reached back out, and nevertheless 24 to 48 hours. So she's like, listen, I'm escalating a escalated case as it is, so they have to get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. So that being said, I'm hoping the next 1 to 2 days I'm able to get at least some sort of reasoning back, something. Give me something, because I don't know what it is. So just give me anything, because it has been over a month. 30 days is usually the return period of a product, and I've received $0. So I'm hoping that I can get this figured out in this coming month, or this month hopefully, because I would like my funds as soon as possible, or at least some of my funds. That's the update. Let's get back to the video. All right, you know the deal, everybody. We are labeling all of these letters. I'm gonna get these puppies sent out to the customers. Hope they're happy. Putting on the, this is an Amazon order tag on there as well, so they don't throw these out in the trash thinking it's spam, because it happens more than you would think. So if you ever start a sticker business, just keep that in mind, that will happen a lot. All right, so now I am just packaging up all of these stickers and these decals, which there was a lot of them, so this took a little bit of time. I just sped this up 3 times so you can not be bugged. All right, so I actually sold some Craftmate paper today, so I was pretty stoked on that. The sales are going up again. I hope you guys are enjoying my transitions. I'm trying to put a little bit more work into like some of these videos when I have time. Anytime I have time, I want to not make a video. So I'm hoping you guys are enjoying the different angles, and especially since I'm only using one large table now, I can kind of go around and do different angles. So This is my 24 inch skull that I'm cutting out here. It was not cutting well. I need to get a new knife. Orders are out. I just dropped them off. We're basically done. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. There was a little bit more to do today than yesterday, and actually for the past couple days. So I was actually pretty stoked on that. So let's now go over yesterday's revenue and see how much money we made. So we made no money on eBay, but that's all good. We made $731.82 yesterday, so can't complain. All right, so now our total for this month is at $6,400. So we need to be at $11,000, or at least around there, and we're not there. And that's just how it is right now. We can't control that. We can't control what Amazon's doing, and I'm waiting on inventory, but it's all good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that we can hit 30K this month. If you are interested in watching me hit 30K, because I will hit 30K, it might not be this month, but I will hit it, or you just enjoy watching these videos and day in the life vlog, please subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until I hit 30K. Also, if you can hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, that would be amazing. Also, an update on the course. I am going to be working on that tonight. Just be on the lookout and updated. I will keep you updated. When I'm done, I will let you all know, and then we will figure out a promotion so you guys can get it. In return, I can get a review from you all, and I can get this course out there for everybody else. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you all tomorrow.